Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. If you're having a trouble with this, then this is what we have to do. The easiest and the first step you need to try is all about you just need to go over here and check which app you're having trouble with. For example, if you're having an issue with the Snapchat, then what you need to do is you just need to go over here, press and hold like this, then delete the app. Then afterwards, you just need to reinstall it back. Just go to the App Store and try install back the app. While installing back, what happens is it is going to ask you the permission where you have to give allow for the camera access. So you can try this as the easiest one, and this is a killer one. It's going to fix a lot of trouble as well. Now, after trying the first step, if you don't want to delete the Snapchat app, for example, if you're having you don't know the password and all kind of stuff, then you can try the second, third and fourth workaround. The second one is all about what you need to do is we have to go to the content, first tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to over here. You can see the screen time at top here. You need to tap on it. And from here scroll down a little bit and tap on the content and privacy restriction and go over here to the allowed apps and make sure the camera is given access here. If it is not, that is one of the reasons, so make sure the camera should be given access. If not, toggle it on. Now we just need to go back once again, and from here, from the settings, we have to do the same. Go to the scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the privacy and security. And from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down over here. You can see under this, there is a camera. You have to tap on it and make sure that you have given access to all the apps here. So this is very important, should be giving access to all the apps. And once you make sure all the apps are having the access and all kind of things, then what you need to do is you have to go back and you have to check whether you're having the trouble. If you're having the trouble, the next one is all about we have to reset all settings. So to do so, go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the general. And from here, we have to scroll down all the way down and navigate to or tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset and there is an option called reset all settings. Do the reset all settings. So this is going to fix all these kind of an issue. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.